Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la.
What are you doing?
It's almost Christmas. You can't believe how much Christmas spirit is in me. Is it in you? It is now. Come, warm yourself by the fire. What's the eggnog? Those eggs were real hard to nog. I'm your Secret Santa. Maybe I could get you one of those shirts that's got my face on it, and you could look down and I could be like, good job, buddy, keep it up. I got some tinsel in my mouth. It tastes like joy. Happy holidays.
Hi, hey Steve, how you doing? Merry Christmas, how are you?
No office today?
Yeah, no, I'm 100% working from home now. Yeah.